Hey guys, Garrett here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the iFixit Repair Business Toolkit today. So let's get started. The iFixit Repair Business Toolkit can be purchased through iFixit's website for $300. Even though it's very expensive, you do get a lot of great stuff in here. In the front compartment, we have the Marlin screwdriver set, a bunch of long drivers for hard to reach screws in deep areas or at an angle. We got the multimeter, anti-static mat, and eye opener. The top compartment, we have a poster, the repair manifesto, the ProTech toolkit, the anti-clamp. We got the digital caliper for measuring things, the anti-static fix mat, the screen cleaner, suction cups here, the magnetizer and demagnetizer. Also get the dust blower, box cutter, and a cleaning brush, some electrical tape, and adhesive tape too. We also have spudgers, hook spudgers, tweezers, tipped tweezers, plastic picks, the battery blocker, and plastic cards. The ProTech toolkit includes 3 pry bars, suction cup, anti-static wrist strap, bunch of picks, tweezers, tipped tweezers, spudger, hook spudger. This end right here is meant for prying up glued down ribbon cables, metal spudger, and a jimmy tool for releasing clips, especially good for opening up the iPod Classics. And it includes the 64-bit Mako set, which is magnetically held down in place. The lid is also magnetic with a sorting tray, which is really nice. And these are held in very snugly, but each bit is labeled so you know exactly where they go. Have the extension bit to make your driver longer, and the driver itself feels very premium. The anti-clamp makes opening devices a lot easier. To demo this, I'll put it on my iPhone 5C. There we go. Now, I'm going to switch it to the locked position, like that. Now I just start turning. Just like that, my phone's now open. To release it, I'll just go back to the unlocked position. And there we go. The digital caliper comes in a very nice protective case. Have the instructions on top. In the caliper itself, we got the button to switch from millimeter to inches, the on-off button, and the zero out button, and the battery compartment. To do a measurement, we have to loosen the top screw here, turn the caliper on, and just start moving it just a little bit. These part right here is for doing a normal measurement like this. There we go, 9.33 millimeters. The upper one is for measuring the inner diameter of an object, like this. There we go, about 25.09 millimeters. We also have a ruler thing right here. The anti-static fix mat is an amazing product for all type of repairs, to keep track of all your screws so you won't lose them, and other parts too. Down here you got device, project, the date, and the mat number. For if you're working with multiple fix mats, you can label it like 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 10, for instance. This mat is magnetic too. Also, there is a identification thing for screws at the bottom left here as well. The Marlin screwdriver set contains 15 different drivers for the most basic repairs where the screws are in recessed areas. Got Torx drivers, the pentalobe drivers, the flathead, and Phillips. Even a standoff driver. It will also can fold up to make it easier to store away. Just like that. This is what comes in the Repair Business Toolkit. However, I did add these things to the business kit after I bought it. First one is the eye hold. It holds the display open while you're performing the repair. The soldering splint makes soldering a little bit easier. The Essentials Toolkit, the Manta driver set for repairing both items with big or small screws. The cleaning kit for cleaning your devices. That is the review of the iFixit Repair Business Toolkit. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.